All right, y'all. So let me make a recording. Let me see how I can share my screen. All right. Let me get all my credentials up so that everybody, I should have had this up already, so that everybody can go subscribe to the YouTube. Don't worry, y'all. We're gonna get to the charts. We're gonna get to the charts. Don't worry. We're gonna get to the charts. Instagram. Make sure everybody go follow because y'all see all the reels where I have all my hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of clients. All right, let's get this opened up wide. All right, let's go over the charts. So my client sent to me that he has questions about EU, Euro USD. He sent me a video or a picture. So we're gonna go over mentorship info on EU. So let's break down EU. All right, we are on EU. Perfect. On the daily, let's clear all this up. All right, EU. So this is how we break down EU for the buys. We are on the daily. So we are going to have our trend line. As you can see, we're going up, we're going up, we're going up, breaking resistance, forming supports. Y'all don't have to stay on the daily for too long. I just want to show y'all it's plain and simple. Now we're going down to the 4 hour. You see that we're in buys. Let's not make it complicated. We can make us a little support. You can see your support right here. Bounce going up. We're buying. We're buying, break, bounce, bounce, bounce on the price right here. We don't have to be too much on buys on the 4 hour. We understand that we're buying. Entry is our 30 minute. 30 minutes is our entry. And we're going to look for all our supports. You see your support right here. You see your support right here. You see your support right here. And you have support right here. Let's see where the price is for 700. Take away this box. 800. Oh, this one's most likely 850. Let's see. Oh, 900. My bad. 900. 100. We don't have to keep going up. This is you understand. You get the picture. Hold on, where'd it go? 900. So since we understood all the buys, since we understood all the buys, I'm trying to do this fast, y'all. So y'all can see how easy this stuff is. All right, if you miss this buy, you have this buy. If you miss this buy, you have this buy. If you miss this buy, you have this buy. Why do you have all these buys? Because you're in a buy. You are buying on the daily, you're buying on the 4 hour, now you're buying on the 30 minute. If you're buying in all of those three, then we are Connected. Since we're connected, we're just gonna wait for support once resistance is broke. This is resistance. It was broke, came down, support, shot up. All right. If anybody has any questions, I feel like this was very, very straightforward. Y'all understand if we were buying all the way over here, we were buying over here. All you had to do was look for your support, which was found and bought off right there. And your exit would be a whole number 200. See? Simple. I go way more and more in depth on my YouTube, or if you want actual mentorship, you can actually see everything on my Reels, on my Instagram page. So you can see every single thing you need to know, all the client results, mentorship, more results, more mentorship stuff. If you want, if I don't know why my message box isn't showing, so if anybody knows or can help me out and tell me why my message box doesn't show, please let me know. Just leave a comment down below. Matter of fact, in the description, I'm gonna have in the description my mentorship link, but it's just gonna be this link right here. It's gonna be the same link right here. Mentorship isn't cheap. I'll just throw that out there. Uh, just please don't waste my time. What else? I feel like I'm missing something. Let's see. The course. I have a course. I really sell the course for 250, I'm gonna be honest, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all. If you get the mentorship, it comes it'll come with I'll send you the course with the mentorship for to be honest. And I'm about to put even some more in it, but the mentorship is me and you one on one. This is just extra. This is just extra that I'm like just throwing on top. Like this is extra. But the mentorship is one-on-one Zoom calls with me. Every single thing is one-on-one Zoom calls with me on the mentorship. Uh, if you want to get started, just go to my, I don't have a message box, so you're gonna have to go straight to the link. Enjoy your day, man. Oh, I forgot. I have a video that y'all are gonna see that's I think it's about 10-15 minutes long, but it's basically how my mentorship goes. And here we go. You see my screen?
Yes.
You said GU. Let's see, where is GU at? Thought I already had it on here. GBP. You said GBP JPY, right?
No, USD.
USD, my bad, my bad. GU. All right. And you took trades on this today?
Yeah, buys.
Okay. Where'd you buy at?
So I bought let me see. Uh three
You put it at the 30 minute?
huh?
You want me to put
No,
it at
no, I still on the 1 hour.
on the 1 hour? Okay, let me go on the
Mm-hmm.
1 hour. Okay. And where you were like in this area or just so I know where you were, like where you took
So
a buy.
I was at 36750.
36750. So you took a buy right here. Okay. So this is where you took the buy and it turned around on you.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see the daily for GU. So GU keeps dropping in this. Let me just break it down in my head just so I can see what it's doing.
Mhm.
So what I'm looking at is GU when it keeps coming to this area right here. Let's see what price is that. Eight, clear that off, clear that off. Okay, for some reason when it comes right here on the daily, it wants to
Drops.
drop off. Yeah, for some reason. We don't know why. So it's inside of this zone of dropping off. It already went and got its liquidity from dropping off, but I understand why you're taking the buys because you're seeing this going up. Okay, cool. I get that. I understand. But for some reason, not for some reason, when we touched up here in this area, oh, you're on the hourly. You touched up here in this area. So once it touched this 1.38 thousand area, it's basically like it's like, hey, we wanted to come here. Now we just want to sell off. So I can
Yeah.
see the sales. You see the sales on the 4 hour. When it came in here, it got
Yeah, so it just
made a
covered the gap and fell
so it
on the
made a
4 hour.
lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And then you can see it right here where we're dropping, we're dropping, we're dropping. It would make sense to get in on the lower high since we're already dropping. Only
Okay.
because the buys didn't break right here.
Yeah.
Oh, like when it's dropping right here, going down, when the buys came up, it didn't even pass where it's been dropping. So it's just getting weaker and weaker and weaker.
The buys, right?
Yeah. And who knows, it could, turn around, right here
Yeah.
or right here. But when it passed this price up here, it's just been getting weaker, weaker. Like the buys aren't like trying to take out
Yeah.
this
Take out
area,
highs.
or even come back in this area where it keeps dropping on the daily in this area. So if you would have went for the sale, I'd be honest with you and say it looks super clean. The 7,000 since you see that the 1.38 thousand, 1.37 thousand. If it took a sale right here, I would clean up and take the sale right here. Once it broke through and came back up, for the reason of it coming back up right here, should have let you know a second time. Like if we came up all the way to this price and then dropped down below and came all the way back up, all you would have to do is wait on that tap since you already seen that it came from the sell on a 4 hour.
Okay, so you think it's gonna continue selling or it might reverse right there where you had it at, the level where you had it at
If you want to buy, only look in this
on the
area for the
bottom.
buys, yeah.
Yeah.
But you want to wait for this to stop dropping.
Okay. Yeah, because that's how I got it marked up.
You want to wait for this to stop dropping. Like if it's gonna just continue dropping, then it
Hmm.
just, you know what I mean? It's just gonna keep dropping sales. But if we're breaking structure, like we broke above here, broke above here, then like you can see a bigger picture. Like now you can, go through all the way up here. But for now, you have some sales. Even on the daily, we're
Yeah.
having the candles going down. What other questions you have?
Yeah. Yeah, on the daily it was going down too. So let's see. Yeah, so I took that one and I took USD CAD too today. But uh, it happened the same, it was almost like the same thing that happened on USD CAD too.
USD
Like
CAD.
I took a buy on that too, cause
Well, shoot, USD CAD. Look, you're on your daily USD CAD. It's already going
mhm.
down. I'm already looking at sales. When you hit the 4 hour, let's take this away. You're already looking at sales. And I'm not, just because I'm doing this trend line thing doesn't mean I'm trading trend lines. It's just me showing like
Yeah,
real quick that we're in some sales. So I'll
on the
go
reg.
straight to the 30 minute. Oh no, you do hour. I gotta keep forgetting. You go to the hour. That you like trading on the entries on the hour?
Yeah, cause I'm starting to like more of swing trades.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to like start doing that swing trades, but yeah, on the hours. That's where I stay on the hour for now.
All right, bro.
I'll probably look like at the 30 minutes just to see if it's like see some rejections or something like that.
All right, you see what I'm doing?
Hmm.
Just clearing this up. Clear that up. This one probably be 750. And those would be your sell opportunities.
Yeah.
And you saw everything, right? Like the daily 4 hour, 30 minute, how the sales were just going down.
Uh, yeah, it was going down.
What else you have?
So I caught it like right there on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Where at? Right here?
yeah, on the buys. That's where I caught it at because I thought it was like uh the man zone or supply zone right there, going to trying to like go up again
Were you in so you were in profit?
for a little bit.
How much
Yeah,
were
for a
you up
little
in
bit.
profit?
I would say probably like 30 pips, I think it was.
Like, was it a significant? I was basically saying, like, if it was a significant amount, then you can pull your profits early. You don't have to wait for your profit to hit all the way up here or all the way up here. You can,
That's where I had it at up right there.
yeah,
That's where I had it in
yeah. You don't have to go for home runs every trade. You could just pull your profits early and just get what you know what I mean. Compound your money.
uh, what the market gives you. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure, because it's not going to be
Yeah,
what
so
you
every
money.
time yeah, it happened to me twice. Today I was in profit and for a little bit and then it was just kept going against me. But I'm gonna start doing that to start compounding
Yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure,
instead of trying to get like home runs and stuff like that.
for sure, for sure. And we got hop on a what is it Tuesday? If you want to hop on another Zoom call just to show me like what you've been doing, what's going on, what you having issues with, what you got more questions on, what you got more questions
Yeah.
on. What you got any more questions or what? Give me everything.
No, it was that because I was just getting confused with the GBP USD and then I saw how you broke it down, how it was going down.
Mm-hmm.
It was that. I was just getting confused with both of them. But I saw now how you broke it down, how
Mm-hmm.
they both were sales.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, well, I'll definitely on Tuesday will probably be good too. Next
Okay.
Tuesday.
All right, man. Just hit me up, send me a text, and we're gonna do this all over again.
Okay. Thank you, bro.
All right, enjoy your day, man.